Happy GIS Day, and welcome to Day 3 of Coding Maps, our beginner series. Let's go ahead and enhance our app with a playful AI addition. So, we'll first start by adding our OpenAI API key. This will be used to generate facts about a location. Next, we'll add a pop-up inside of our map as the placeholder for where our fact will live after we click. Next, in the JavaScript, we will need to select our map and our pop-up so we can interact with them. Now, the map components fire an ArcGIS view click event, which I'll use async since I'll await the AI response in a bit. And that gives me a map point, which includes longitude and latitude. I'll just log those out so we can confirm that things are working before we bring AI into it. I'll check the console by hitting F12 or right-click and inspect. Press the map, and there's our longitude and latitude. Next, I turn that click into a plain language prompt. I'm not going to do anything fancy here. I'm just interpolating the longitude and latitude into a sentence and asking for a fact. Now next, I'm going to send that prompt to OpenAI using a post request because I'm sending a JSON body with my options. And then I'm using the chat completions endpoint, passing the prompt as the user message, and using the, in this case, GPT-4o minimap. I set the temperature to 0.6, which is basically a little creativity dial. So the answers are varied, but not too chaotic. Now for this first pass, I'm not trying to shape the output much. I really just want to see what comes back. So I get the JSON response and log the entire raw response to the console. Now, looking through the console, I can see our fact lives in the first options of the choices array under message and content. So we'll grab the text out of there in our code and feed it straight into the pop-up. All right, now I'll go ahead and click on the map, and there we have it, our fact. Since this is the raw response, formatting would of course help to make it look better, so feel free to try that out. And that's it for today. Tomorrow, we're going to add some search so you can actually jump right to the places that you are interested in seeing. Happy coding!